Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematics, regarding multiple choice questions and answers for competitive exams and distance and speed. Look at this example. The distance between two cities A and B is 330 km. A train starts from A at 8 a.m. and travels towards B at 60 km per hour. Another train starts from B at 9 a.m. and travels towards A at 75 km per hour. At what time do they meet? Look at here. Point A, point B. At X kilometer, they meet. Total distance is 330 km. The remaining distance is 330 minus X. Here, distance X equal, first train starts from A at 60 km per hour, that is speed into distance 60x. Here x equal to 60 t at time t hours. After starting it meets the train, second train. Then here this 330 minus x is 75 kilometer speed. The second train from B starts 75 kilometer 9 a.m. 9 a.m. means after 1 hour, because first train start 8 a.m. it's 9 a.m. so t minus 1. So from this we can look at here 330 minus x is 60t equal 75t minus 75. Therefore collecting t one side, number other side, 330 plus 75 equal 75t plus 60t. Yeah, 405 equal 135t. Now t equal 405 over 135, which is equal 3 hours. Therefore, time of meeting is, suppose the train at because its starting time is 8 a.m. and therefore adding 3 hours, that is it meet at 11 a.m. So meeting time equal 8 a.m. starts and 3 hour it meet, that is 11 a.m. Next question. Two men are standing on opposite ends of the bridge, 1,200 meters long. If they walk towards each other at the rate of 5 meters per minute and 10 meters per minute respectively, in how much time will they meet each other? Here D equal 1,200 meter, meeting point A, meeting point B. At X distance, they meet from point A. This is 1,200 minus X distance from B. Now, here 5 meter per, first speed is 5 meter per minute, that is X equal, distance is speed into time, 5 time is t. Here 1,200 equal 1,200 minus x equal the second distance equal speed is 10 and time t. Here both start at same time. So here also t, here also t. Therefore, 1200 minus, instead of x we can put 5t equal 10t. Therefore, 15t equal to 1200 equal 1200 by 15 equal 80 minutes. 80 minutes they meet after starting time. Next question. Two towns A and B are 500 kilometers apart. A train starts 8 a.m. from A towards B at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. At 10 a.m. another train starts from B towards A at a speed of 110 kilometers per hour. When will the two trains meet? Here the total distance is 500 kilometers. First train speed is distance at x. Second is 500 minus x. Third distance x. First speed is from A, speed is 70 kilometers per hour. It is 70 at time t it meet. Then 500 minus x equal to 110. Here at 10 a.m. first 8 a.m. 10 a.m. is the after 2 hours the train from B starts, that is here t minus 2. So 500 minus, instead of x we can write 70 t equal 110 into t minus 220. Collecting numbers on side, that is 500 plus 220 equal 110t plus 70t. That is 720 equal 180t. Therefore, t equal 720 by 180 equal 4 hours. Then they start from A is 8 a.m. plus 8 plus 4 is 12 noon. Therefore, meet time equal 8 plus 4, 12 noon. Question number 14. A train running at the speed of 84 km per hour passes a man walking in opposite direction at the speed of 60 km per hour in 4 seconds. What is the length of train in meters? Here, relative speed, both are opposite, train and man opposite direction. Therefore, relative speed is 84 km per hour plus 6, 90 km per hour. Then, which is 90 km per hour. Now, the relative speed 90 km per hour. Then we have to convert. This is meter per second, that is 90 into 1000 divided by 3600, which is equal 25 meter per second. Here they in 4 seconds walking opposite direction at the speed of in 4 seconds. Therefore, length of the train crossing the man is distance speed is 25 meter per second. In 4 seconds they cross. That is 100 meters. Then next question. By walking at three-fourths of his usual speed, a man reaches his office 20 minutes later than his usual time. The usual time taken by him to reach his office is. Here, by walking three-fourths of his usual speed. Here, usual speed is three-fourths, therefore, usual time means usual time is reciprocal of speed. Four third. Usual time into four third. Four third of usual time is equal to usual time. He is late for 20 minutes. Therefore, usual time 4x by 3. Usual time is then here x plus 20. We have to solve this. 4x by 3 minus x equal to 20. 3, 4x minus 3x equal to 20. Then x equal to 3 into 20 is 60 minutes. He is late by 60 minutes. His office. The usual time taken to reach the office is 60 minutes it take to reach the office. Question number 16. The speed of the car is 54 km per hour. What is the speed of meter per second? It's simple. 54 into 1000 meter divided by 30,000 seconds, which is equal, which is equal 15 meter per second. Next question. A car covers a certain distance in 25 hours. It reduces the speed by 1/5. The car covers 200 km less in the time. Less that time. The speed of the car is here. First case. The first case, speed of the car equal to x kilometer per hour. Distance covered is 25 hours. That is, distance is 25x kilometer. Now, the second case, if it reduces the speed of 1/5, therefore, second case, the speed is x minus 1/5 of x, which is equal, therefore, distance in second case x minus 1/5 is 4/5 of that, which is equal to 4/5 of the x. 1/5 minus x minus 1/5 of x is 4/5 of the x here. Therefore, four-fifth of the x into 25 equal 20x. here the second speed. Now, difference in speed, the speed of the car is, it reduces the speed, then here 200 less, 200 kilometer less here. Therefore, this is the distance. Difference in distance is, first distance is 25x, second distance is 20x, is it cover 200 kilometers. So yx equal to 200, x equal to 200 by 5 is 40 kilometer per hour. A train covers a distance of 3,584 km in 2 days, 8 hours. If it covers 1,440 km on the first day and 1,608 km on the second day, by how much does the average speed of the train for the remaining part of the journey differ from that for the entire journey? Here, average speed. Average speed is total distance 3584 over 2 day 8 hour is 24 plus 24 plus 8 is 24 plus 24 is 48 plus 6 is 56. 8 is 56 hours. Is average speed is 64 kilometer per hour. It covers distance, remaining distance. Remaining distance is 3,584 minus first cover 1,440 and second cover 1,608. This remaining distance is 536 kilometer. This 536 kilometer in 8 hours, because today finished, third day is 8 hours. Therefore, speed of third day is 536 divided by 8 is 67 kilometer. Then that usual speed is 64 kilometer. The third day speed is 67 kilometer. Therefore, by how much does the average speed of the train for the remaining part of the speed? Therefore, it is 67 minus 64 equal to 3 kilometer more, because average speed is 64 kilometer, new speed is, third speed is 67 kilometer. Therefore, 3 kilometer per hour more. 3 kilometer per hour more. Option 1. Next question. A man goes from Mysore to Bangalore at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and come back to Mysore at a uniform speed of 60 km per hour. His average speed of the whole journey is, let distance between Mysore to Bangalore is x kilometer. Then time 1, that is Mysore to Bangalore, time taken is x by the speed is 40 km per hour, and this is hour, and t2 time, that is Bangalore to Mysore is, that is t2 equal x by 60 km per hour. Then total time taken, the entire journey is t equal x by 40 plus x by 60 equal 5x by 120 is hours. This is for entire time taken. Therefore, average speed equal to total distance is 2x, because go and come back. Total time is 5x by 120, which is equal to 2x by 5x into 120 is 48 kilometer per hour. Question number 20. On a journey across Kolkata, a taxi averaged 50 km per hour for 50% of the distance, 40 km per hour, 40% of its distance, 20 km per hour for the remaining distances. Then average speed. Here, time 1 is distance between the distance of the total journey is x kilometer. Therefore, 50 kilometer per hour, 50% of the x is 0.5 x over distance speed is 50 kilometer per hour. The T2 is the second speed is 40 kilometer per hour for 40%. 0.4 x by 40 kilometer per hour. The T3 third distance is remaining 20. Remaining is 20. Here 0.5x, 0.4x. Remaining is 0.1x. Remaining distance at the speed of 20 kilometer per hour. The three here total time is 0.5x by 50. Here we can calculate here itself. Therefore, average speed you can calculate directly. Average speed equal to total distance is x. Total time is 0.5x by 50, 0.4x by 40, 0.1x by 20. Here, which is x by 0.5 by 50 is here 200 is LCM, 4 into 0.5 is 2x, 5 into point because 200 by 40 is 5, 5 into 4 is another 2x plus 10x, 1x because we are multiplying with the 10. Totally equal 200 over 5, which is equal 40 kilometer per hour. Option 4. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.